Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the Valorant. You get an WAN79 connection error while launching the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, if you have installed any kind of VPN into your system such as NordVPN, Proton or any kind of VPN, make sure to disable them by hitting the play option right onto the Valorant. And nextly is, if you are using any third-party antivirus such as Avast, McAfee, AVG, completely uninstall them or at least disable them while playing the game. After doing these two steps, right click on the taskbar and choose option Task Manager. From the left pane, click on Details tab. In the search box, type in riot. And whatever the processes are running, right click and choose the option End Task. Make sure you must close each and every task with the name riot present right over here. After doing so, close it. Now click on Start menu, type CMD and choose the option Run as Administrator. Now type here a command SC delete VGC and hit the enter key. Second one is SC delete VGK and again hit the enter key. After doing these two commands, close it. Now make sure to restart your PC as it is mandatory step. After restarting, open C drive, program files, riot vanguard. Right click on this folder and choose option delete. You can see I have not restarted my PC, that's why it is giving me the error. So make sure restart your PC and delete this folder with the name riot vanguard. After deleting the folder, you need to launch the riot client into your system. Go ahead, log in using your user ID and password. Now once you are logged in, click on the option Valorant and over here you will find the option of update. Simply click on the option update. Now wait for a few minutes to finish updating the Valorant right into your PC. Now once this update is fully completed, right click on Start menu, choose the option Run, type here services.msc and then hit the enter key. Now here press the V key to find a VGC service. Double click to open it, and if it is showing stop, click on the Start option to start the service at once. If it is giving you the error, it is because the update is still going on. So make sure you must start the service and in startup type, make it automatic. After doing these two steps, hit apply and OK button. Now close it. Now go ahead and launch your Valorant and hopefully the issue will be completely fixed. If this failed to work out, all you have to do is to open your web browser and download a tool with the name Geek Installer. Click on this zip option to download the zip version of the Geek Uninstaller into your system. Open the zip folder, drag and drop onto the desktop to unzip the file. Now double click on it. Now simply type here Valorant. Once you find it, right click and choose option uninstall. After uninstalling Valorant, type in riot and you need to uninstall both programs one by one by right clicking and choose option uninstall. After that, again restart your PC and once restarted, reinstall the Valorant and this will completely fix out the issue of connection error WAN79. So this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.